Introducing Yellow Barhi Dates from Dolce Frutti, the perfect blend of crispness and natural sweetness. Grown with care and nurtured under the warm sun, these golden delights offer a farm-fresh experience like no other.
Every Yellow Barhi date is carefully handpicked at peak freshness. To preserve their quality, we shield them from the intense sun, ensuring each bite remains crisp, golden, and naturally sweet.
Not just delicious, Yellow Barhi Dates are a powerhouse of nutrients, loaded with antioxidants like carotenoids and phenolic acids to offer a nourishing boost to your daily routine.
Our Yellow Barhi Dates are available in sizes from 1 pound to 16 pounds and come in beautifully designed, eco-friendly, customized gift boxes. Share the joy with those you love most.
Enjoy free expedited delivery within 2 business days across the U.S. Your Yellow Barhi Dates will arrive fresh, flavorful, and ready to enjoy.
Your feedback matters. Be a part of our journey by sharing your experiences and ideas. Write to us, review our products, and be a part of the Dolce Frutti family. We'd love to hear from you.